Let's unboxing this ignition coil, set for the 2010 Honda Civic FA1. Ignition coils neatly packaged and ready for installation. Here are the tools required to remove and install the ignition coils on the Honda Civic FA1. Medium-sized 10mm deep socket, medium-sized Torx wrench, medium-sized electric impact wrench. Open the hood of the vehicle. Place the hood prop to secure the hood in an open position. Press down on the tab of the ignition coil connector to release it. Continue disconnecting the remaining ignition coil connectors in the same manner. Use the 10mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench to remove the screws securing the ignition coils. Once the screws are removed, carefully pull out the ignition coils. Compare the old ignition coils with the new ones. The reason we're replacing the ignition coils is that the original ones are damaged. This has caused engine misfire, illuminated check engine light, and a lack of power while driving. Position the new ignition coil into the hole and apply firm pressure to seat it properly. Install the securing nut using the 12mm deep socket with the Torx wrench. Tighten the nut to a torque of 12 Nm, 9 foot-pounds. Reconnect the ignition coil connector. You should hear a click sound when it's properly seated. Remove the hood prop and lower it. Close the hood securely.